Alright, so here's the magic number 11,732. Now, if you multiply that by 3, you get 35,196. Now, I've just learned a very interesting concept about the 4x4 G. Okay, so that's a G. The sum of that is 203. That's a G. The sum of that together is 722. Alright, that's a G. The sum of the 3 together, or the 3G, is 1308. Now, the fourth G I'm going to get from the middle here. Okay? And the sum of that is now 34,097. So we went up to this row. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add these guys here, this 1x4 and this 1x4, because you got to kind of connect to something, I think. And the sum of this is 35,062. Now, because we have like a 4x4 in the middle and then a 1x4 and a 1x4 on the sides, I'm going to add the middle cell of a 1x1. I'm going to add the 94 and I'm going to add the 36. And when you add those together, the sum is 35,192. How many 4x4s do you have are acting as a 1 here? 4 of them. 35,192 plus 4 is 35,196, which is 3 times 11,732, which I find rather interesting. Now I'm going to, I don't know, like italicize these, I guess. I don't know if color, like I could do it color quick, I guess. Like this is what they're gonna look like. Those guys. Okay? That right there, plus a 1, a 1, a 1, and a 1, sum to 35,196. So we're gonna go back in time. I'm gonna Control Z. I'm gonna leave it italicized. And here's another thing I found. 716, okay? These three right here are 706. This one's 716. You know what I find interesting? If you take the top 12, and then, you know, because you can't count the 2 twice, but let's say the top 12 and the bottom 11 here, not including the bottom and not including the last column, the sum of that is 716. Now you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like a 12 by 12 V, sharing the 2, but only counting the 2 once, sums to 716, which is like right in the middle of the V on the Stairway to Heaven guy. Now if these are 12, you know, like what is this? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 away. Makes sense, right? Because you need 3 of them. Anyways, I just think that these are all interesting, okay? So I'm going to make little tiny videos. I think it's better than me making a live stream and rambling for hours on end. Cheers.